Access the Quick Eval tool from the organizational homepage navbar or the course level navbar. If Quick Eval is not located on your navbar, use Course Admin to access it. Quick Eval can also be accessed at the institution level through the Quick Eval widget if configured by your administrators. Quick Eval offers two views for instructors: submissions and activities. The submissions view provides a convenient list of all student submissions that are awaiting evaluation across all of your courses. In Quick Eval, assessments will remain visible until an evaluator publishes a grade and feedback. The submissions view provides powerful filters for faculty to sort or focus on specific activities, dates, and courses. To filter, select the Filters drop-down menu. You can also use the search bar to find specific submissions. To grade a submission, click on the student's name. This will open the student's submission. Activities view displays indicators to show the learner's progress on submissions, instructor's progress on evaluations, and on publishing feedback to learners. It also includes links to the evaluation page, submission page, and a Publish All action. More information on evaluating student submissions will be available later in this video. To grade a student's assignment submission, complete the following. From the Quick Eval's Submissions or Activity view, select the assignment submission you want to grade. To add a score to the assignment, enter the value in the overall grade field. You may also annotate a submission using the annotation tools. Optionally, to evaluate based on the rubric you have attached to the activity, select the rubric and complete the rubric scoring criteria. Additionally, you can include text, audio, or video feedback using the Brightspace editor. Once feedback is completed, select either Publish or Save Draft. Publish will make feedback available to the student, whereas Save Draft will save all completed feedback, but will not yet be released to the student until published. When using the Save Draft feature, there are a couple optional steps you may choose to use. If selecting Save Draft, feedback can be published later by returning to the student's submission or through the Activities tab. And to return to Quick Eval, select Back to Quick Eval on the top left corner. From the Activities tab, locate your desired course and activity, hover over the activity name, and click More Actions. Select Publish All to publish all evaluated submissions for this activity. Most quiz question types are automatically graded by Brightspace. To manually access written response questions, complete the following. From Quick Eval, access the quiz you want to grade. On the quiz evaluation page, select the attempt and scroll through student responses. On the written response submission, review student submission and enter a score. Optionally, you can include feedback using the Brightspace editor. To return to Quick Eval, select Back to Quick Eval on the top left corner. From Quick Eval, select the discussion post you want to grade. Review student discussion post and any replies if applicable. To add a score to the discussion post, enter the value in the overall grade field. Optionally, if you have a rubric attached to the discussion post, assess a student's submission using the rubric. Additionally, you may include text, audio, or video feedback using the Brightspace editor. Once feedback is completed, select either Publish or Save Draft. Publish will make feedback available to the student, whereas Save Draft will save all completed feedback but will not be released to the student. To return back to Quick Eval, select Back on the top left corner.